Today's video is all new hacks I bet you have not heard of before. So we are going above and beyond with some high-end products. And I first want to start with these soap dishes. They have almost 5-star reviews on Dollar Tree's website, and they work really great on smooth surfaces, especially if you have a small space. And by the way, you can hang these on a window and they double as a bird feeder.
Thank you, Kathryn, for this demonstration.
The removable decals for your bathroom have expanded. They have all of these tiles, would look great in kitchens too, and they have a hexagon, which is brand new this year. Super excited to try it out. This is the best quality peel and stick tile I've ever seen Dollar Tree come out with. This is perfect for renters. It's very high quality and comes off easily. I definitely give it 5 out of 5 stars. And don't you go anywhere because I'm going to share the final reveal in just a second. We've got mirrors, 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 but there's a brand new mirror I want to show you, and it's this one, but I would not put this on my wall. See, there you are. That's what I'm looking at all the time. I would actually put this in my bathroom like this. This is a really easy way to store all of your lotions or lipsticks. You could even decorate the side if you wanted to. I love this one. Do you know where I was? The dollar spot at Target. You know, you gotta mix it up sometimes, and I found this really cool dinner bow. What you can do is come to Dollar Tree and grab a puck light. They actually don't have them here, but I have extras at home because I'm a little crazy. And you can actually put this inside to create a light to put over art in your house. How beautiful is that? And I did it for just $6. Well, $6.25 now. I'm bad at math. They also have lots of hand soaps that might not be name brand, but they look really high-end in a bathroom and I think work great. Dollar Tree vases and candle holders also make a really great bathroom organization that looks very high-end. I think the soap dispensers from Dollar Tree are also really cute. Recently I showed you could put Listerine or mouthwash, which you can also get here, inside a soap dispenser, and that helps elevate your bathroom on a budget. Can you spot all the Dollar Tree items? You can find high-end things at the dollar store. You follow me because we are not in the bathroom section, but I still want to show you this anyway. Come down to the cleaning section because we are going to use one of these organizers underneath of your sink. Come here. And they are sold out, but most Dollar Trees are gonna have them. I'm actually crazy enough that I have an extra one at home. I saw this on TikTok. You can stick this on the inside of your bathroom door. It's perfect for all of your hair tools, especially if you've got a small space. Normally the bins at Dollar Tree are $5 for the extra large ones, but they brought in this new container. It is just $3. I think it is perfect for a bathroom. White is my favorite color. Do not discount the craft section for your bathroom. I found these really cool eucalyptus fragranced brooms. I saw people on TikTok putting these in their shower for an aromatic experience on a budget. They have new organizing products. They have these storage boxes now, which I think are really nice underneath of a bathroom. I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Would you use these at $1.25 each? This is unexpected, but really cool. Grab a strainer that you would use in the kitchen, and you can use this for your kids' bath toys. Shake it out. We have seriously decluttered ours recently. It works so well. At Dollar Tree, you've got to look high and you've got to look down low. Come here. They have, I'm actually a little bit far away from it. They have faux leather. This is brand new from the Crafter's Square, and this is compatible with a Cricut machine. They have 3 different colors here, a white, a blue, and a brown. Get a round bowler item from around your house, flip your vinyl over, and then trace around it. This cuts really easy with fabric scissors. This also works really well with a standard hole punch. I added an even number of holes around the perimeter of my faux leather. And then I just took some ribbon from Dollar Tree and I wove it back and forth just like you used to do when you were a kid, over under stitch. Once it went all the way around, I went on the opposite side and went over top of the same stitch with a different ribbon. This is gonna make cinching this super easy. Pull on the sides to close your pouch. You can tie this in a bow or you can cut the edges off. I think this looks so elegant and would make a great gift idea. This is also perfect for when you're traveling this summer. If you're enjoying, give this a big thumbs up and a comment down below. It helps the algorithm a lot. All right, this is new. I'm really excited to find this. They have in the craft section these decor boards, but look at that. This is really pretty under the sea, and they have an octopus. These are so trendy right now, especially Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, octopi, octopus. The tool section for your bathroom. Come and grab some of these little hardware storage cases. It's perfect for storing your faux lashes. I like to wear mine 2 or 3 times because they can get expensive. I put them right in here. You can call me crazy, it's okay, I won't care. I have a mini fridge that I got from Walmart on rollback in our bathroom, and I love to keep sparkling water up there. This Evian sparkling water, they have a lime and ginger flavor. They also have a grapefruit and basil, $1.25 for 6 cans. This is fantastic. I can't wait to do a restock. Still a great deal at $1.25 are the loofahs, and I like to find the high-end ones that are a little bit longer and stretchier. These are a personal favorite. This is a brand new product I haven't seen before. Really pretty. I think they're perfume holders, but would you put this in your bathroom? What would you use it for? Oh, this color is really trendy right now, this coral pink. This would be great for a nautical bathroom as well. Look how pretty those are. The Dollar Tree Plus section with items priced $3 to $5, it's expanding to thousands of stores this year. And I love the shoes. I know this is crazy. I wear these to the pool all of the time. They've held up really well, just $5. Check out these. For bathrooms, oh my gosh, if you lived in a dorm room, I like the rose golds. These are pretty. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I cannot wait to see you soon. Grab a strainer. These are no octopuses. Sorry. Also, did you know that octopi have beaks? I'm so sorry. I don't know why this is so funny to me. It'll look good when they start coming, I think.